what's up you guys? I finally got a day off from work, so I'm going to dedicate today to just pulling bundles all day long for you guys. So I'm really excited because I love making bundles. It's so fun for me, but I have all new inventory because I've just been thrifting like crazy. So it's basically all over my room, but I just want to show y'all a couple pieces, a couple new inventory that I got in. Alright, so I put all the tops on my bed, but yeah, I have a couple pieces brand new with tags just from companies sending me clothes and stuff. And I have some Forever 21 OG pieces. I have some Ed Hardy right there and some Nike, more Ed Hardy. Got these jerseys. This is actually from Forever 21, but it's an iced out little tube top. But yeah, a whole lot of shit. And I got a bunch of different sizes, which is what I'm most happy about. And all the pants are right here. I got the camo pants, the basketball type baggy pants. I have the velour tracksuit pants, and I have these pants that are really cool. I want to show you. They have these like design on them, and this like reminds me of like early 2000s like tattoos people used to get. And I have these are pretty cool too. They have this like dragon on them, and they're like this silky material. Then I have these cargo pants and these like baby pink jogger pants, and then these track pants too. If you guys don't know about my bundles, or if you want to know more about them, I do have a video completely dedicated to them. It's called Let Me Be Your Stylist. So I'll try to like link it on the screen if I can figure out how to do that. But definitely check that out for all the details, the pricing, everything on my bundles. Alright, down here I just have the skirts and the track jackets. I have a BCBG, Juicy Couture. I have some baby fat here and a bunch of just denim skirts. I have a bunch of pleated skirts and just all that good shit. So yeah, very excited, very good inventory here. I just have some dresses. I have these two jersey dresses. I have a FUBU and then just a, I don't know, football jersey. And then here I have my holy grail, which is my Rocawear denim patchwork dress, and I love this baby. I really hope someone orders a bundle in this size soon. It's an extra large. Oh, I forgot these. I just have a couple like t-shirts on the side here. I love this one. I got this one from Forever 21 too, but it's like all blinged out. It just says Hysteria, and it's like mesh. So yeah. Oh, I also have this like hat. Like I have like just some like side pieces, and then the rest of the stuff is just like in these bags. I'm just gonna grab my tripod. So, oh, look at my tattoo. Oh, I love any excuse to like show my tattoo off. But yeah, I'm gonna just grab my tripod and start pulling these bundles because I need to get some shipped out by today, and the post office closes at 5. So let's do it. Alright y'all, so I pulled this first fit. It's hella cute. She said she loves Hello Kitty and Gwen Stefani, so of course I had to do a mix of the two. So up here I just got these plushies, and they're literally $1 at the thrift. And isn't she so cute? Look, I literally have the same one but in a big size. Like, aw, so cute. So I'm gonna give her that little plushie. I have these little glitter clips. I'm giving her the Ed Hardy top, and I got these two things from a online thrift seller. So I'm gonna leave her link down below because she's starting up like her own store and her own website and stuff. So she was kind enough to send me these two pieces, but this shirt unfortunately was a large, so of course I have to give it away to one of y'all in a bundle. And I threw in this Gwen Stefani CD for her, and I paired them with these clear hot pink fuchsia shades to go with the top. I have these really cute earrings, but I realized that they're fucking busted. Like, hello, focus. Yeah, they're fucking busted. Like, they don't close. Like, the thing will go in and just like plop right out. So I'm gonna go cop some more. I got these at my local beauty supply, so you know how that go. But I'm just gonna go buy some more because I don't want to send her busted up earrings. And then, oh, I paired it with this little Juicy Couture clutch baggy like wristlet. And then this beautiful, I love this skirt so much. It's from American Eagle. I love pairing like a hot pink top or any pink top with olive green. I just think that's such a vibe. This skirt has such crazy details on it. And then of course had to throw in Yo, I swear to God, my autofocus is bugging. I also threw in this hot pink, just little nail polish to go with the whole hot pink vibe going on. And because she said she loves Hello Kitty, I gave her a sheet of the Hello Kitty stickers. That's the look. I just have to buy new earrings and then she's ready to go. Alright, so I got another bundle here, and this one didn't necessarily go with a purse. So I included this plushie, which literally goes with the outfit anyway. So yeah, I got this at the thrift for like $1 also. So cute. Like I said, this is a Forever 21 little crop top. It's like fuzzy. I got these shades. I think I found these at a thrift like so long ago. These were mine for a while, but I'm ready to like pass them on. I don't really wear them like that anymore. So these pants, they're Finish Line. Let me show you. Yeah, they're just Finish Line brand. I included some silver hoops to go with the silver, and then this little keychain lip gloss. I try to throw these in almost all my bundles. And then I included, of course, some candy. I got a baby bottle pop, and then this, but it's like a baby blue little nail polish, and of course the sheet stickers. So another bundle down. Oh, I forgot to include a CD, but I'm gonna go ahead and include this, my Case of the X little CD, for obvious reasons, because it just goes with the fit. And if she bumps this in the car in this fit, it's just a whole vibe. So had to throw that in for my girl. Alright, so I realized that I'm really short on a lot of supplies. Like, I need more candy, I need more nail polish, I need more earrings for sure. I have like no earrings to give y'all, and I'm gonna try to find some more of those like chain, the waist chain belts, because I found those last time in like the dollar store. So yeah, I'm just out and about trying to scoop up some supplies for these bundles. I'm gonna try to show y'all where I get them at. I get a lot of stuff from my local beauty supply. Yeah, they have pretty good stuff there. So oh shoot, the police. Alright y'all, welcome to my beauty supply, aka the most magical place on earth. Here's where I buy my scrunchies, nail polish, lip gloss, all that good stuff. But my favorite thing to buy here are the earrings. Oh yes, they are so beautiful. They range from $4 to $5, so they're for the low. That's why I stay coming back, and they're just amazing. Here I copped just a couple of pairs of earrings, hoops, studs. I probably copped some nail polish, scrunchies, all that good stuff. And then I headed over to Five Below, and here's where I buy all my candies and goodies to include in the bundles. Here's my lovely little cart. I got face masks, candy, stickers, all that good shit. Hey guys, so I basically just got like a shitload of candy from Five Below, and I got myself Pocky because Pocky is my favorite, especially the strawberry ones. So I think I'm getting my period soon because I literally could not stop eating. Oh yeah, back to the bundles. Alright y'all, so I have another bundle set up right here. I got this Dream On little fuzzy top, and then I have these bougie cat eye glasses, and then I have the checker print skirt. Ooh, I have these little like rhinestone like heart earrings that I picked up today at the beauty supply. I just threw in a little scrunchie as a hair accessory, and of course the Sanrio stickers. I found this cute like holographic little panda lip gloss, and I think that'd be so cute for this bundle. Then threw in the Hubba Bubba just to go with the blue vibes. I threw in my Nelly CD. Ow, love Nelly, look at his fine ass. And then I have two bags. I don't have like a perfect bag to go with this fit, although I wish I did, but I feel like it's torn between this Rockaware blinged out like silver little like prom bag, or this cute little like XO bag. I think that's what it's called. I don't know, it just says XO on it. And I don't know, I don't love either of them with this fit, but I feel like out of both of them I would probably go with this one. So yeah, plus it just goes with like all the blinged out like bougie vibes, so I might just fuck with that. So yeah, another bundle down. All right, pulled another fit. Don't look at my toes. This girl said she wanted it to be school appropriate, and also she's very tall, so this is somewhat of a longer skirt, so I just hope it's long enough for her to wear to school. I included a track jacket because, you know, back to school season means fall season, so I'm sure it'll get chilly and she can use this track jacket to go to school. I included these glasses. I literally just bought these today at Family Dollar. Not even kidding. These are from Family Dollar. Wait. Yeah, they have this cute like gold detail on the side, and they're just like brown. They have this like cheetah, like tortoise shell kind of thing going on. But yeah, it looks so cute with the look. Definitely like Jennifer Lopez vibes. Of course, had to throw in the bamboo heart hoops. I got this Destiny's Child CD for her to bump while she's wearing this fit. And because she said she's going back to school, I included these little erasers. So I thought that was like a cute touch. I picked these up at Five Below today. The chain belt, it's this like gold just loop, this oval chain. So I just think that's such a cute back to school look. I do have this bag, and this is my Burberry bag. It's not real or anything. I got it at a thrift so long ago, but I think that would go cute with all the browns going on. It's kind of like bent up. It's been in my closet for a while. I literally never wear it, so that's why I'm not butthurt about giving it away. This is like a corduroy like chocolate brown skirt. Super cute. I love it. I love this look, so I hope she loves it too. All right, I pulled two fits. One's over there, one's over here. This one doesn't have glasses, so it's not ready to get shipped out yet. I just gotta find some glasses to complete the look, but I just wanted to include it in this video anyway because it's hella cute. I have this. It's a Charlotte Russe little top. It has this cute little tie on it. I paired it with a scrunchie, some little silver hoops, some blue nail polish, and then just this white pleated skirt. We have this chain belt that says sexy on it. You know the vibes. And then I paired it with this little Prada bag. This is my bag, but I literally never wear it, so I'm like, fuck it. It would go so cute with this look, so let me just do that up real quick. And yeah, I love it. It just needs like some like little maybe clear frames or like some baby blue frames to complete it, so I'm just gonna hold off on sending this just yet. And then we got this one over here. How cool is this skirt? Don't look at my toes. I got this from the thrift also. Straight up fire. Straight flames on here. And then we have this blinged out Hysteria top. We got the hoops and this red belt. And of course, I had to include this little baby. Just a little Hello Kitty keychain. So threw that in there. This one also just needs like some glasses or something before I could send it out. So yep, last bundle of the day. I had to hook this one up because my girl told me she bought this as a birthday present to herself. So first and foremost, I want to start with the Holy Grails. Yes, I'm blessing her with my Chanel glasses. I still don't know if these are authentic or not, but yeah, I had to throw those in there for her anyway. They're super rare. I found them in the thrift. I copped them for 50 bucks. But I'm gonna bless her for her birthday. I literally never wear them also anyway, so it'll be to better use. Then I have this cute little like roughly pink top. Of course, I had to go with the hot pink camo on the pants. Super early 2000s. I know these kind of got played out, but we're bringing them back just for the Y2K vibe. I just paired it with the black bag and a black bandana to kind of go with like the whole army type of vibe. And then of course sheet stickers. I threw in this cute little face mask because it's her birthday. You know, we're going all out on this bundle. Got candy, got the nail polish, and of course I had to throw in the hoops. So yes, girl, if you're watching this, happy birthday. Shout out to you, girl. Can't wait to see how you pull this fit off. Okay, y'all, so I am officially pooped and I'm tired of making bundles. I've been doing this for like literally like 5 hours straight now, but I have all the bundles here ready to be packed up and shipped out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna end this video right here, y'all. If you want to see the packing process, let me know in the comments. I'll probably do another video like this in the future where I'm just picking bundles out for y'all and I show y'all what I put in them, and probably at the end of the next one I'll show y'all how to pack them because I'm just way too pooped right now. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here and then just take my time packing each one of them, and hopefully I'll ship them out tomorrow or Friday, which is my next day off. So yeah, if y'all purchase a bundle, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for letting me style you and be your stylist and live my dreams. Oh, is it even focused? If y'all are interested in copying a bundle for yourself, I sell them on Depop, which is a reselling app if you guys don't know. But yeah, my username is StephSoulX. I'll put it right on the screen here so y'all could go ahead and cop yourselves a bundle. I'm selling them now for $85 plus shipping, but the prices will go up soon. So cop yours ASAP before the prices go up. I don't want to hear it when the prices go up. So yeah, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching this video and for copying your bundles. I appreciate y'all so much, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.